got the kitten instead.
Come on, let's.
Try Kara.
It's funnier when.
Kitten is not going to.
What?
Again. You just flung her out. Oh, you gotta
Winston! Get over here! Winston! Winston! Come here! Winston!
Dog's smarter than that.
No, he's not.
Keep it right there and see if Kara will go to it.
No, not with that.
What the hell? Keep missing it. Come here. All right, do it again. Grab it.
Kara! Kara! Kara!
Is she coming over?
Kara! Hey! Mr. Kitty Cat! Mr. Kitty Cat!
Leave him. He's learning how to wash himself. Watch, Emma. Together. Where did she go?